So you know the feeling, you're all excited, you've got some free time and you're sitting at your DAW ready to fire up the latest and greatest song. But nothing. Writer's block. What do? Well, I've got two great suggestions for you today. It's from the Ujam instruments. One is the virtual instrument PHAT and the other one is the virtual bassist slap. This will get you excited. My name's Phil Heeley from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with technology. Let's have a look. So here it is, PHAT, Virtual Drummer. It's a hip-hop drummer, it's got retro, soul, G-funk, funkalicious and groovy. Coming with 200 presets, 60 musical styles, containing a total of 1,380 different rhythmical patterns. Wow. You can build your own kits with editing options, a master section with saturation and maximizer. It's got it all going on. And all we do is simply click a key here on the MIDI keyboard or with your mouse. The black notes are the fills. Easy. And we've got lots of different parameters to work with, so let's just play this one. Different drum kit. And where you mic the kit. So straight off the bat, some really inspiring sounds. We've got control over the kick, snare, tom, hi-hat, ride, crash, and the decay, the tune, the reverb, overheads, the mics, room ambience, and the master effects. We've got loads of different factory presets, blues and soul, electro, funk, disco. You can see all the styles here, all the different presets. It can really get you excited, can really get you in the flow. And then we've got these styles here, and I've chosen boom bap 106 BPM. So now let's have a look at slap. Based on a Stingray bass with an active pickup system, 30 styles, over 350 individual phrases, both slap and fingerstyle playing techniques, more than 100 presets and 30 finisher multi-effect modes. Both of these instruments have the ability to MIDI drag and drop, which is where you find a rhythm or a tune melody you like, a riff, and you literally drag it into your DAW. We'll come on to that in a minute. But let's have a quick listen to this one. Same idea. Different riffs. Nice. We can change the note. And the common phrases are down here. But I like these ones today. Changing the sounds here. Fuzz. Character. Amp. compressor, EQ, finisher, octaver, and drop D. We'll come on to that later. So straight away I've got a nice riff, that bass line. I'm going to find a more interesting beat maybe. There's a fill. Nice. So let's have a look at what else we can do with this, because this is only just scratching the surface. So let's say I want to start with that riff, or that beat. I want to start with that beat. So I'm going to stop, and I'm going to simply go up to the 6 little dots above it, and that's where I can drag into my DAW. So there it is. If I double click, I can now see the MIDI file and play. Now this is great because we can edit it, we can now play it on a different virtual instrument, and I'm going to do that in a little bit. But I might as well just have a listen. There's the fills. So what I'm going to do is just drag a few of these across, and that MIDI file, and that MIDI file, and let's have a funky one, this one over here. So I've brought across 5 different MIDI files. I'm going to do the same with the slap. So let's have one of the basic ones, and this time it's these 2 lines. So that's the first one. Let's randomly take that second one, this third one, fourth, and this one here. Okay, let's have a look at this MIDI file. There it is. So the notes and the phrases are now in, and we can play them in any order in the DAW. And you can see the notes here on the actual fretboard. Okay, let's choose something else from my VST collection. So let's just open up, and I'm going to find another drum instrument. So let's go over here, drums. So I'm going to load XO, very interesting drum instrument, and let's take that file over here. Interesting. Like that. go with that for the minute. And now I'm going to do the same thing for that bass MIDI file we found. So let's choose another instrument. What bass VSTIs have I got? Let's try Bass Master. Let's drop it in over here. Yeah, let's try some simple ones first of all. Let's try. Quite interesting. Let's go back to this drum track and find something a little bit more upbeat. Interesting. So there's just a flavour of what you could do with these Ujam instruments. They've got a huge collection of all sorts of drum machines, guitars, basses, highly recommended. You can grab them on Plugin Boutique, see the links below. But whenever you're stuck, whenever you've got writer's block, a great way to get into a groove and start exploring with a helping hand. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see loads more content coming up very soon. Until then, keep making music.